Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: is the application for your earbud SOUNDPEATS AIR 3 Pro available on your iPhone? So, I already installed the application what SOUNDPEATS offer for the earbuds, and if I open it you can see that I already add these earbuds to the application. So my short answer is yes, it's available on your iPhone. But if you don't know how to install and set up this application, or you don't know how to add these earbuds to the application, we have videos about it, so you can check it at this channel. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.